Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's scroll and find this eye comfort mode and tap on turn on, so on this switcher. Probably you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. By using the switcher you can make it cooler or warmer, it's up to you. And you can customize the schedule, so you can set the schedule for this eye comfort mode, which means that your device will automatically turn it on and off. You can tap on the schedule plan, you can turn it on, for example, at 6 o'clock and end it on 10 a.m. It's totally up to you. Or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is the whole customization of the eye comfort mode, and now let's try to find much faster access to it. So I think it should be somewhere here, and it is. As you can see, we've got this toggle eye comfort mode, so let's tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.